This is Chef Allen, and in this video, we're going to learn how to make some tomato sauce. So here we have 4 pounds of Roma tomatoes, we have a couple bay leaves, and 2 tablespoons of sea salt. So we're going to trim off the tops, then we're going to go ahead and remove any damaged or bruised spots. Once you do that, we're going to squeeze out the water and seeds from the tomato. Alright, so now we're going to add our tomatoes into a pot. What I'm using is a steam basket. If you don't have a steam basket, it's all good. Just a preference of mine. Then we're going to add a bit of water. And then we're going to go ahead and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes or until our tomatoes are just soft enough. But you want to be careful not overcook the tomatoes because you're going to ruin the value of the sauce. Next step is to throw our tomatoes into a blender, and we're just going to crush them, not puree. So with a wooden spoon and a strainer, we're going to press our crushed tomatoes through the strainer to extract liquid. This technique separates the remaining seeds and the skin from the sauce, but if that doesn't concern you, then you can skip this step. So the more you press against the tomatoes, the thicker the sauce. And I also want to add that you do not want to throw away the pulp. The pulp still contains liquid that you want to extract. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a cheesecloth, we're going to add the pulp in there, grab the cheesecloth, and then squeeze whatever liquid that you can from there without squeezing out the pulp. So next step is cooking the sauce. So we're going to grab our sauce now, and we're going to add it into the pot. Now at this point, you just want to watch the sauce. It took me 15 minutes, but it may take you longer. So to confirm if the sauce is ready, we're going to grab a wooden spoon, and we're going to keep stirring the sauce until you get a creamy texture like you see in the video. So stir in the salt. Then we're going to add our sauce into the mason jars. We're going to throw in our basil leaves, and that's it. That's our sauce. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Good luck, and see you soon.